with my good friend Yen Nada, who is a travel influencer.
Spices. I feel like mine is true Somalia.
Bismillah.
Bismillah.
Bismillah. You'll probably think it's fish splitters because you can see that the peppers and the main event.
Some sukar.
What did we actually have today?
We had in Somali bariiis and hilib. It means rice and meat, different meat. We had the cubed one. We had the big one that you saw, and then some chicken on the side, and you know, and then you had Sambusa that has meat inside, spicy, non-spicy. Just Somali starter and Somali food. So, yeah.
We're ending it off with.
And now we're ending it with Somali tea.